I'm Lauren Green. Welcome to Bias Bash. Republicans have declared that the next president should nominate a replacement for Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia, meaning a GOP win could likely bring a conservative nominee. And this means electability could become a big concern for Democrats, especially for Hillary Clinton. Joining me with media analysis is Ellen Ratner, Bureau Chief of Talk Media News and a Fox News contributor. Welcome, Ellen.
Thank you so much.
So why should the media be focused on, replacing the Supreme Court justice and how that might be an advantage for Hillary Clinton?
The media has ignored that this is an advantage for Hillary Clinton. And the reason it's an advantage is because she is seen as very bright. She's an attorney. She is somebody whose husband nominated two pretty successful people to the Supreme Court, Justice Breyer, Justice Ginsburg. She is seen as somebody who will make a very concentrated and thoughtful suggestion, and yet the media is ignoring that this might actually help her in the polls and might help her at the voting booth.
The Bloomberg News actually came out with an article saying that traditionally rank-and-file Democratic voters aren't really concerned about the high court. Could that actually sidetrack her campaign and actually have the opposite effect?
I'm not so sure, because I have to tell you that I do remember going to an event during the 2000 election and hearing Barbara Streisand say, the court, the court, the court. So she was rallying Democratic voters after the Democratic Convention to really focus on the court. And I think actually that if Hillary Clinton's campaign is smart about it, and I think they are pretty smart about it, they will focus on what Hillary Clinton would do with the court. Because there's no question that, one, she was a senator, she can reach across the aisle. Two, that she's going to pick somebody very smart. You can detract from Hillary Clinton all you want, but no one can detract how smart she is.
But why doesn't it advantage Bernie Sanders in any way? Why wouldn't it be to his advantage to talk about the Supreme Court?
It could possibly, but he doesn't quite have the record that Hillary Clinton has. She actually, she went to Yale Law School. She was an advocacy lawyer before she became First Lady, before she became Senator, before she became Secretary of State. She worked for the Children's Defense Fund. She can also reach across the aisle, and because her husband appointed two very successful Supreme Court justices. So, therefore, she does have that kind of track record, and I think that it can help her campaign, but the media seems to be ignoring what I call the Hillary Clinton factor in terms of this court race.
All right. I want to thank you so much, Ellen Ratner.
Thank you.
If you want to hear more media analysis on this week's top headlines, catch Media Buzz with Howard Kurtz, Sundays at 11 a.m. Eastern and again at 5 p.m. Eastern on the Fox News Channel. I'm Lauren Green, and thanks for watching.